What's up, you beautiful people? Bringing you the protective housing for a HERO8 Black from GoPro. Unboxing video, lifetime warranty. Protects your HERO8 Black during extreme activities and deep water diving down to 196 feet, which is 60 meters. Includes protective housing, skeleton backdoor, mounting buckle, thumb screw. And it tells you, go on your motorcycle, go diving. And if you want, you can read the notices as well. Just pause the video. And the back here, compatible with the HERO8 Black. And since there's a design difference with the HERO8 Black to the other models, it's all a new accessory now. So here we got some warranty paperwork in the back. Nothing special there. It's a nice little packaging system they have. And the way this one is a side open. Let's try to open it without destroying it. Maybe not. So that piece there and this piece here. So that's the screw, that's the mount. Same thing here. And this is your back case, your front case, and the way this one will fit in here is, so the good thing about this one here is you just undo that piece here. You need kind of 2 fingers, cracks open, and you get this piece coming out. So it looks like this piece here is actually, so the unit is waterproof, so that's why this is actually tempered hard glass for your deep diving, and then this one here would be for your motorcycle or dirty driving or anything like that with dust. And yeah, so you take the HERO8 and then apply it, so you don't have to take off the front lens like you did with the other housing pieces, and it's a lot more easier to put in there just like that. And you're in. Very special. And this will make it so when you're diving, the buttons don't get pushed in or your display gets pushed in or anything like that. So it's quite good for that reason. And to take that out, much more easier. Because people are saying when they dive to a certain depth level, the unit begins to push its buttons and everything. And I'm glad that's not the case here. Anyways, guys, this was the protective housing case for the HERO8 Black. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up and leave a comment below.